Hello, we are continuing. This is a question 3, paper 2025, time zone 3, AAHL paper 1. 5 questions, so it's a trigonometrical equation and we have to find the theta that lies in this domain. Okay, let's do that. So you see that in this equation we have different values of arguments, so it is 2 theta and theta here. So we have to make the same argument. That is why we knowing the formula of cosine 2 theta, it is equal to cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta. And now let's convert everything to cosine, because this equation in terms of cosine, right? So that is why cosine squared theta will subtract 1 minus cosine squared theta. So after simplification we will get 2 cosine squared theta minus 1. Okay, let's now plug this expression here. So 2 cosine squared theta minus 1 minus 5 cosine theta and plus 2. So what I suggest to students what to do here, it's all the time good idea to substitute. Let's say that cosine theta is t. That is why we'll have a quadratic equation 2t squared minus 1 minus 5t plus 2. Let's open the brackets, 4t squared minus 2 minus 5t plus 2. Okay, you see that we have minus 2 plus 2 will be reduced, so it means that we will have equation t for t minus 5, we will make t out of brackets, right? And then equate each factor separately. So it's equal to this, and then t is equal to 5 over 4. So since t is our cosine, we can say that t is equal to 0, it's a root. But we can say that there is any root if cosine is equal to some number which is more than 1. So here is no roots, right? Because range of cosine is from -1 to 1. No roots. Okay, cosine theta is equal to 0, so theta is equal to 2 pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, and so on. It depends on the domain. But our domain here is from pi to 2 pi. So let me represent it is in the system of coordinates. So from 0 to pi is here, so pi is here. Yeah, this is angle pi, and then next angle from pi to 2 pi. So we have to find the angle here, and from this angle we have to set only one angle that appropriate to this condition. This one is 3 pi over 2 definitely. So that's why the final answer for this question is 3 pi over 2. That's how you will get the maximum mark for this question. There are 5 marks, and see you in the next video and question. Goodbye.